Hello guys, another quick video here. We've got this BMW X5 Go5. So issue with this customer's complaint is that ambient lighting is working all through there, coming across, but it's not working on this door here and also the rear door. So I know from previous that the ambient lighting works in a series link, so it goes all the way around and across, and if there's a break somewhere it won't carry on further. So everything's working up until this point, and then from here onwards there's a break. So it's got to be something within this door card. So as you can see, you've already had it apart. So in relation to taking the door card off, this little panel for the speaker, that comes off first. Just like this, it's just clipped on with a connector which pulls off. One cap behind here with the T20 Talks in there, cap there with two T20s in there, three along the bottom here around the back, and then you've also got one in that little hole just in there, T20 just there. Now when that all comes off, you have to lift it up and out. This will come out as well, but this door card will come off. It will be held on by the mechanism for the door. Now we've had it all off, and what we found is that the ambient lighting, which is this connector, which has basically got an LED in there, but if you look inside, it is water damaged, and the connector is the same as well. So that is going to be the problem with that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get this replaced, get the connector cleaned up, and if the connector needs replacing, we'll replace that as well, if we can't clean it up. But yeah, it looks like we have to get another one of these, because just doing that, you can see it's snowing. But yeah, so here we have the replacement. That's the part number, that's the LED, nice and clean. So we're just going to pop that into the door, and hopefully all should be working. So this gives us a better view of the door card itself. So here's the cable. I think it's just the outer bit that's clean. We're going to clean everything up, take those pins out, give them a good clean, and we'll go from there. But yeah, brown, red, blue, and then yellow, grey. So yeah, we'll clean that up, put this on, get the door card put back on, and we'll see if it's worked. Just to show you the extent of the damage, we've opened this one up, and yeah, it doesn't show that well on there, but yeah, you can see corrosion there, and also on the back. Yeah, that's definitely seen better days. So yeah, that's one faulty LED module. So all done, and as you can see, we have ambient lighting in both sides of the door, front and in the rear. I don't know if you can see that properly, but yeah, it's there, and rear door as well. So job is a fish. All done. If you ever have that issue, it's going to be a break somewhere at the point where it stops working. So that'll be your issue, or your issue ambient lighting. So yeah, any questions, drop a comment and like and subscribe.